Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Beer Porn. Today we've got a Wolf Throw High. Oh, that's not mine. Uh, no, something exciting. We've got Stone's 25th anniversary triple IPA. I love triple IPAs, and hopefully, because it's their anniversary, it's something extra special. I know it's 12.5% alcohol and it's over 100 IBUs, so it's gonna be good. If you're a hophead like me, oh, the hops hit my nose. Very citrusy, very fresh, crisp. That's just in the smelling the open can. Nice amber color. La, 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 la. Good head of foam because I didn't pour it properly. Just trying to show off, sorry. Well, the head's settling down for the benefit of those of you with flash photography. You're welcome. Oh, it smells good. There's a solid malt backbone too. This isn't just a pile of hops. There's some malt in there to balance it. Look at that color. The effervescence, the foam. This is fresh. I noticed. What's one of my websites? I used to keep track of my brews on Beer Advocate, and that was my favorite. It was always more about the beer and beer snobbery and beer whatever. But it seemed like I was the only one using it. It was a great place to keep track of my beers. But eventually I switched to Untapped like everyone else. And anyway, I've noticed only like 8 reviews on Beer Advocate. I haven't looked on Untapped yet. Malt. The malt smell is strong. The citrus hops. A little bit of pine. Let's see if we can drink through the foam. That's right, Baja. This is thick. Getting a little bit of the alcohol burn, which a lot of times in a high alcohol beer, they hide it. It's not really hidden. Ton of hops. This may be the most hops I've ever had. Really thick tar or pine hops, and it's the malts there. This one's definitely all about the hops. We're still here for the hops, here for quality, here for making great mistakes, here for more good times, here for another round. So it's just talking about their anniversary. This massive triple IPA is another important milestone in our continuing journey. That's all they say about it. It's good, and I thought I'd never have a max load on my hop content, but I think I've reached it. This is actually too hoppy even for me. And I love 100 to 125 IBU brews, but this is just like pure hops. It's good. It's got hops and malt, but it's so heavy with the hops that it kind of negates any other flavors that may be in there. A little disappointing, but still a good brew. And feel like I should slice it. It's so thick. Instead of use a knife and fork instead of glass. Anyway, that's it. Scale 1 to 5. Let's go with 3.5. That's right, Baja. I may change my opinion once it warms. Let your beer reach room temperature, and your IPAs anyway. A good brew improves as it warms. A chilled glass is not what you want for a good brew. And you don't need a slice of a lemon unless it's a Corona. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day and a great apocalypse, and we'll see you next time.